Hear me out, because there's a little Easter egg in here. Quick one for you. We've just Lockie and Gina finished building a proper batch of DX Commander Expedition kits. Kind of ready for the summer. But over the Easter, we're going to do another one of these free worldwide shipping things. So the price is exactly the same. We'll just cover the shipping. All right. So if you're in the US, that pretty much kind of offsets your import charges. If you're in the EU, it takes a decent bite out of the VAT as well. So UPS handle all that at delivery. It's completely normal. The DX Commander Expedition, it's a proper grab-and-go HF antenna. There's no coils, no traps. It's full size. Every band is full size, and it's efficient. It does exactly what it says on the tin. Don't take my word for it, of course. Check the EHAM reviews. You get the pole, the wire, the speed plates, all the fixings, everything you need to get on the air. There's nothing missing, nothing cheaped out or anything, because it's a deal, right? 3 elements and you're up in minutes, right? 6 elements and you've got coverage from 80 through 10 and 6 actually with the ATU. Throw a few radials on the ground, you're on the air while everybody else is arguing about lunch or whatever. And if that for portable use, you know. And if you don't fancy going it out, stick it on a patio stand. That's what I did. A heavy base at home maybe, and a cheap water-filled one if you're out portable. Bit of PVC pipe, 1.5 inches, 1.75 job's done. Now, my go-to portable setup would be the full-length 40-metre element, and because of that, we get a lovely natural kind of, I call it pseudo 5/8 on 15 metres, 20 and 10. So 3 elements, you got all the main bands, 40 and up. You start the day on 20, ease into 15 mid-afternoon, 10 opens up for a bit, have some fun then. And when the sun's just starting to drop down, you know, hop onto 40 for those 500 to 1,000 mile jumps. And that's a good day's radio. And don't think you need an amplifier with this. Right, we took one of these a couple of years ago, just running 100 watts, first thing in the morning. I mean, it was about 5 o'clock in fairness. We were crossing the Atlantic. I was getting Jamaica and into the Caribbean, everything. From the UK, we had VKs and ZLs on 100 watts. But in fairness, on 40 metres, timing is everything. Now, here is the Easter egg. Okay, we're including an additional 100 metres of DX10 wire with every kit. Now, that's worth £59, okay? More, possibly. So if you could lay a set of radials down at home, you pin them down, the back garden, yard, whatever, forget about them. Then when you want to go portable, you could take your antenna with you, sling out another set of radials, because we've given you the extra reel. And actually, with that extra wire, you could run 2 setups, couldn't you? Portable, keep it simple, 3 elements, job's done. And at home, fill your boots and stick the lot on. Same antenna, just 2 ways of running it. So free worldwide shipping, extra DX10. I won't tell you how many we got built because there's quite a lot, but when they're gone, or when Wendy calls it a day if we've sold too many. The link's in the description. Go and grab one. Enjoy your radio. Have fun. Do some poto. We're coming into the spring. Summer is coming along in the Northern Hemisphere, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your radio. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.